omwisi Saved nahurira n'omwana wo kubanza omu makaga Asimwe Julius hava okutura Kyampota n'omu Rukakoba Mbarara Municipality. Ogu yatambura urugendo rwa kilometers rukurenga muri 2 kuruga Kakoba kwija mu office ya RDC okuherezayo obuyambi bwe. Nahurira wabashendekerezibwe mu nyanya yagambira TV West ngu esente ziyaziho mu kabokisa katwire nabikamo ebinushu okuhika hagambira abazire be ngu nayenda kuyamba aba batine.
And I was like, I told my mom that I wanted to donate, and I shared it with my brother, and they allowed me, and they directed me, and the money I brought, it was because of a reason I heard of some young fellows, my young children, dying of coronavirus.
Yaye hanangiriza abato bagenzi bo kuguma mu maka kwenda kwerinda akakoko ka coronavirus.
They should stay home, stay far, wash hands, and they shouldn't get anywhere they see, and not pray near with the neighbors, because the neighbor may be affected, and another child may be affected.
RDC Wambarara Lieutenant Colonel James Mwesige yasima abana aba ahabwo kwirukangira umuranga gwa President Museveni kandi yasima n'abazire baba habwo kubakuzaje.
Nyenda kubasima munonga, nyenda kusima abazire baba bo kubakuzaje bakagira umutima wo kusasibwa ihanga, kandi nyenda kubashabira hanga ngo abakuzaje riyere nyetse aba bantu bumugasho.
Gasha kwa Adolf Ayoreka